Hey YouTube, so the power inverter is down, so can't use my regular camera, so I'm using my phone. And the truck, it's a bit of a mess. And my satellite radio's not up. This is not plugged in anymore. Everything's gotten kind of cleaned up a little bit. Why would that be, Abdul? Well, why is everything clean, packaged up?
Get a new truck.
Oh, we're getting a new truck. So where are we going right now?
Utah.
Salt Lake, Utah? Have you been there before?
Nah.
And he hasn't been to Phoenix, Arizona. So we're going up to Salt Lake, Utah first, and then we're dropping right down to Phoenix, Arizona. Swift is no longer buying Freightliners or KWs, or not this year, or anymore. They're buying 2019 Volvos and 2019 Internationals. I don't know what one I'm going to be getting yet. But this truck, my 16, man, she needs a lot of work. So she's going to go into the shop again. This week, I've not been able to make a whole lot of money. It's kind of reminiscent of my first few weeks over here at Swift. And Abdu's getting a real taste of what OTR life is like. When loads are canceled on you, switched around, moved around, and just overall pain in the ass. Anyway, long story short, we're on the open road now. Actually, you guys can look outside inside my ugly face. So, we're in Texas right now. Coming up to 380, or no, not 380, 35. We're on 288 right now, and I think it has us, we're going to be going on to 35 north, and then we're going to go towards Albuquerque, New Mexico. That's where our fuel stop is, and yeah, so pretty ride. But yeah, the inside of my truck is going to look vastly different here in the next few days. Just a matter of having to find a place to put everything. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, rate, comment, subscribe. And post down below what kind of truck you guys think I'm going to end up getting. The International or the Volvo. Let's see. Anyway, have a good one.
So.
Okay.